Hello guys, so welcome back. Please my apologies for the sound of my voice. I am really struggling with a cold right now. I am super bunged up, so yeah, so that's why my voice is like this. So apologies for that. Just going to get started. So this week I'm going to concentrate on ballerinas, both male and female. I love the way that they look when they're striking a pose or mid dance, purely because I just love the lines and how either their tutu or their outfits or whatever or look, and also how their muscles then look on any part of the body essentially. So I'm just going to get to it. As usual, 1, 2, 3 drawings with the 4 space for the summarised analysis. The first one um, I managed to get good speed again, and it was a good start to the drawings. I think it was a decent layout for the structure and proportions. However, I felt that this needed more attention as the drawings progressed, purely because I couldn't quite see the lines of essentially where the breasts were, so I had to kind of guess and also put the different lines in for the abs and stuff. So that's why that might not be quite 100%, but again, it's a quick sketch for future future drawings or paintings, so hence why it's very quickly done. I utilised the geometric and observational methods, and for next time I felt that I had to then work on this area and improve on this area. Everywhere else I felt was reasonably represented, especially the legs and the tutu. Sorry, I can't talk. The second one, good speed again. I managed to get a little bit more of the arms in because it was cut off there. So I've managed to get a bit more of the arms in, and it was a good start up here. Again, felt as if this was kind of slightly lacking, but I managed to get this in a wee bit more proportion. And I did run out of space for down here for the legs, but did manage to get the tutu in. Good speed, good layout and proportion, specifically, as I said, the upper part of the body, so up here. And again, I felt that it was the chest and ab area needed more attention and work the next time, and I used the geometric and observational methods again. Third one, I really try to analyse the different shapes within shapes essentially. So that's how I utilise the geometric method, looking for shapes within, say, an arm or face. So good speed, better layout and proportions this time, better torso and arms. I didn't have enough time to spend much time on the hands, but you could see where they were. Yeah, so I'm really quite happy with the effort and basically my efforts today. I will continue with the ballerinas this week. I really hope that you've been enjoying my videos lately, and I'm super appreciative of all the new subscribers and my old subscribers. Super appreciative, thank you very much, and all the really nice comments so far. And I shall continue with the drawings. And also, please let me know what you'd like in future videos, whether it's a ballerina or I don't know, tap dancer maybe, or just somebody out of sports or a specific genre. Really don't mind. Let me know, and I can always try and fit it into what I'm doing so that I can kind of change it up as well. Thanks guys, bye!